Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be going through how we can install 32-bit software on a 64-bit Windows platform. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first step is to press Windows key along with S. That would open up the search dialog, and then search for control panel. So once the control panel is open, click on programs option and then select turn Windows feature on or off button. So now the Windows features dialog is open. Go ahead and check the box for Internet Information Services and then click on OK. Then Windows would start to enable the features, and then you just need to wait. Then further press Windows key along with S to open up search, and then look for Internet Information Services and then click on the first option. Now double click on the desktop option in the left pane and then head over to application pools. Now right click on the default application pool option and then select advanced setting. Now under the general heading, click on the option that says enable 32-bit application and then click on the drop down in front of the false value. From here choose true and then click OK. Now you can go ahead and try to install 32-bit software and see if it works or not. We hope that this solution would be helpful for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.